In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to lock and unlock your credit cards on your TD Bank app. So let's get into the video. The first thing is that you simply need to log into your TD Bank app. Once you're there, you click on More. After which, you simply click on what? Manage Cards Access. So once you get there, you are going to see Lock Cards. Click on it. So guys, after that, you simply click on it. Okay, but if you want to lock your cards permanently, or if your card is being stolen, you simply need to call this phone number. If you want to unlock it back, you simply need to click it back here. So guys, that is actually the way you lock and unlock your credit cards using the TD Bank app. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below if you face any difficulty doing this. We love you all. See you in our next tutorial. Peace out.